Mia is usually early. She never stays late. Excuse me, have you seen Mia? Brown hair, quiet girl? Mia? Yes, I think so. I think I saw her near the music room. I'm here. It's okay. You don't have to talk yet.
I didn't want anyone to see me cry.
You don't have to hide from me. You can cry with me.
I'm trying. There is a big school show next week.
Yes, you were excited about it.
Miss Taylor chose me first. I was the main performer.
That must have felt very special.
But today she changed her mind.
Changed?
Yes. She chose Chloe instead. She said Chloe's louder, more confident.
I wasn't loud enough.
And how did that make you feel?
Like I disappeared. I felt small.
Chloe said I am too quiet for the stage. But the stage is loud out.
Courage can be quiet too.
Maybe...
What if she is right?
What if she is wrong?
You really think so?
Careful, this one makes it taller. How was school? It was...
okay.
She had a hard moment at school today.
That's tough. Come here. Are you afraid or are you disappointed?
Both.
Being scared means something matters.
What if I freeze again?
Then you breathe, and you try again.
Courage is not loud, it is steady.
Okay.
Tomorrow we ask for another chance. Today doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start.
I can do this.
Let's focus today. Let's focus today.
The forest is alive with magic, if you know where to look. Let's begin our adventure.
She sounds so sure. Watch me.
I know we can do it.
Maybe I can't. Miss Taylor, may I have one chance to practice again?
I see.
I know I am quieter, but I would like to show my way.
After school. One chance.
Thank you.